What's up, everybody? It's your girl Jean, and we finna dye our locks today. So this is what we're gonna need. So right now I have 3 cups with conditioner in them, and I will be using Adore hair colors today. I got Spiced Amber as one. Then I have Honey Brown. And finally, I also have cinnamon. And I'm going to be using a conditioner by Palmer's called Repairing Conditioner with Coconut Oil for dry damaged color treated hair. In addition to what we'll be needing, I'll also need some foil to separate my hair once I put the color in, some gloves so you don't get dye on your hands, and something to mix everything up with. I got a plastic fork. Don't judge, okay? Or you can use an applicator brush, whatever you have on hand. Okay, so right here, we're going to start mixing our colors. I don't measure anything. I just go by sight and how I want it to look. Just pour whatever amount you want into each container, and then we're going to mix everything up. After you mix everything up, if it's still not the desired color that you're looking for, add a little bit more. Or if it's too much, you can add more conditioner, and that'll help also to lighten it up.
Bang, something came from nothing, now I'm buzzing while you huffing, puffing, guarantee I keep it thing jumping in the store and no.
So while we're mixing everything up, I just want to shout out my homegirl Monica for showing me how to do this. She does not have locks, but she does have natural hair, and this is the same process she uses to color her hair. And we tried it on mine, and it did the exact same thing. I got the desired results I wanted, and this is just a process that I'm gonna keep in my regimen for coloring my hair. Keep in mind that my hair is already bleached, and you'll see that in a moment. I'm trying to get away from using bleach. I only bleach my hair once a year, and I only color my hair maybe twice or 3 times out of the year, maybe quarterly, I guess. But I want to get away from using bleach. So if you know somebody who doesn't use bleach but they get the main result they want with coloring their hair, link them in the comments, please, because I want to get away from using bleach in my hair. Hey y'all, so now I have pre-sectioned my hair, and as you can see, like I said earlier, I bleached my ends previously, like a couple of months ago. So I have my hair in sections right now. I'm just gonna pick colors and alternate between sides and put different colors in different sections. This portion is strictly up to you. You don't have to use as many sections as I did. You don't have to section your hair off if you don't want to. If you're just doing one color, it's no need to section your hair. But if you have multiple colors that you're doing at one time, I would suggest putting your hair in sections. But it's all up to you and your creativity. So let's go. So I got my gloves on and my fork up, and we finna color hair. What? Oh, my bad. Look, so I started out with the fork, but it just wasn't working for me. So I went ahead and got my hands in there and just scooped a little bit of the color out and added it to my hair. So you're going to want to either take each lock individually and add the color to each lock individually, or you can do like I'm doing and just grab some, add a little color, and work it through as a group of locks. Either way is fine as long as the color is evenly coated on your locks and you have a nice look and you could tell that there's color in your hair. So I'm going a little bit of both. As you can see, I have added the color to my hair. You can see the difference somewhat. I'll do a side by side in a second, but you just want to get the color in there thoroughly, from either if you're going from the root to the ends, or if you're doing like I am and just going from section all the way down to the end. And as you can see, I'm looking at the color. It's cute or whatever. Okay. So this is how it looks so far. I still need to add some more color to get everything mixed in. But this is a side by side. This is with the color and then without the color. So just make sure you get an even coat on all of your locks. So for the remainder of the video, my hubby's coming in here with me and he's going to be helping me out. And I'm just going to let you guys enjoy our interactions together. Oh, why did the light come on? It didn't do that the first time. Whatever. What if I wasn't recording? That would be some bullshit.
In the movie? Nope, that's it.
It's recording, that's all the light on.
Okay, see, I did now. That look good to you?
Mm-hmm.
Duck it.
That's pretty. I see. It's okay if you do the wrist before. I should have pre-ripped these.
That's gonna be on your face, though, huh?
That's fine.
That's fine. Just
don't hit me on my own.
Look, I got doodle on my finger. Put the doodle on my finger. I'm helping let her die.
Oof.
With this doodle on my fingers, with this doodle on my fingers.
I'm glad I'm muting this. Okay.
So there's a mutant in there. Look. I'm doing it, man. Trying to do it one by one so I can get it good for you.
I know.
With this doodle on my finger, though.
Oof.
Doodle finger. Hey, doodle finger. I got doodle fingers. Doodle fingers, they right. Doodle fingers, hey. I got doodle fingers. So they got me playing with the boo-boo.
Shut up.
They got me playing with this boo-boo. Boy, I feel like doo-doo.
Oh shoot, am I in anything doing this? I didn't know if they can see.
No, you got me playing with it doo-doo. Move. Trying to get the doodle for you now.
Oh, I like that though.
You like that doodle? You like that doodle back? Doodle back, 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 doodle back. That's all I boo for real, bye. What's that? That boo green kind. What shit? I ate some spinach. you ready?
I guess I'm gonna be sassy as fuck by
What time you supposed to be in Asia?
after school. So she'll have plenty of time.
Better make sure she do it right. I don't want to walk in here and you look like a Gila monster.
She did me right for my photo shoot.
It's on your shirt. Well, not I didn't put it on your shirt. I'm saying on your shirt.
It's okay. That's why I got an old shirt on. And it's black, so I'm not using no bleach. So.
Just really getting that dude down there, but I really squeeze the boo-boo around your finger. And that boo-boo. That boo-boo turn everything brown and green, right? Look.
How it look?
It look like boo-boo!
Let me see. Put them in the camera. It do look boo-boo-esque, but it's a nice boo-boo. It's a golden poop. And it's okay if you go above the line too, because it'll just all blend in. Damn.
I'm gonna praise his name. 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 When I wake up every day, I'm gonna praise his name. I'm gonna praise his name all day and every day. I'm gonna praise his name and all day.
Boo-boo for you.
I'm gonna praise his name.
Boo-boo for you.
Oh, that just say 3 to 5 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Just follow the directions. Directions on the container. But I'm gonna keep them in there for 35 minutes, just so I know that the color is in there and stuff, and it's gonna be so beautiful. All right.